FeedPlay? Convert raw media into multilingual guides with opt-in forms, calls to action, and more. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Today, we're diving into an incredible tool that's going to revolutionize the way you engage with your audience. Meet FeedPlay. Ever felt like your content deserves a bigger audience? You didn't put all that time and energy into your content just to reach a handful of people. Well, it's time to get an A for effort and outcome. Translating content is a great start to expanding your reach. But let's be real, passive engagement isn't going to cut it. What if I told you that you could transform your multimedia content into interactive guides, complete with forms, quizzes, and calls to action in over 30 languages? Sounds amazing, right? That's exactly what FeedPlay can do for you. Cut to screen recording of FeedPlay in action. With FeedPlay, you can create dynamic guides using raw media like podcasts, webinars, and training sessions. Just upload your media files to get started. The platform automatically highlights specific segments with interactive chapters. Add quizzes, polls, forms, images, and clickable calls to action at any timestamp. You can even use pop-ups to invite viewers to register, opt in, or learn more. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're an educator looking to make your lessons more engaging, a marketer wanting to convert leads, or a content creator aiming to reach a global audience, FeedPlay has got you covered. So why wait? Start transforming your content today with FeedPlay and do more with your media. Expand your reach, engage your audience, and grow your brand like never before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below how you plan to use FeedPlay for your content. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.